Hello friends, it's a Sunday night and I've got the munchies. I happen to have a couple of these bags from the dollar store. I love caramel corn and it's only an 8-ounce bag, but I measured it and each bag is 10 cups. And this recipe for caramel corn does great with this exact amount. So you can either do 20 cups of your own popcorn or you can go easy like I did, okay? Now, here's all we have to do. I have one stick of butter, 1 cup of brown sugar packed. This is Caro. If you'll spray your measuring cup, 1 cup, it comes out so much easier and not as sticky, okay? I will bring these 3 ingredients to a boil. And then I will add 1 can of condensed milk and bring it back to a boil for 1 minute and pour it over this. And it makes the most delicious caramel corn, one that is really habit forming, but I thoroughly love it, and the grandkids I know will come help me do it. So let's go over and get this started. I'm going to, I turned on the wrong one. It will start heating and I'll grab something I can stir it with. You can see that it's starting to bubble. The butter's not quite melted. I'm gonna let it melt as I put my 1 can of Eagle brand condensed milk. Now, there's a video that I've made that shows you how to make sweetened condensed milk. It's very cheap, and the recipe that you're doing makes 2 cans. So you'd either need to half it or make 2, place 1 in your fridge for later use. And this will make a delicious caramel corn very quickly. I happen to have the sweetened condensed milk in the pantry, and so I'm just using it. But the homemade sweetened condensed milk works really, 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 really good for this one. It has boiled for a good minute, high. You have to be careful to make sure that you stir it so that it doesn't scorch because it's milk. Whoops. And I will want to get all the good stuff out. And then we will stir it. And my craving will be satisfied. Fully coat it. Like I said, this was from Dollar General. Excuse me, it was not from Dollar General, it was Dollar Tree. And so this cost me, 2 bags was $2.50. They've gone to $1.25 for their, what used to be $1. But this will, if I keep going to the bottom and bringing up all that sticky stuff, yep, see how nice it's beginning to coat everything. And it's literally, I should call this popcorn crack. It's hard for me to stay away from. It's very habit forming. But it's very, very easy and a very simple, sweet treat. And like I said, we have lots of grandkids that drop in. I'm sure that they would be happy to assist Grandma and Grandpa with this caramel corn recipe. Try it, I think you'll like it, and I know that your kids will. So enjoy, hit that subscribe button and like, and come back and let's see what we'll do next to enjoy being with the grandkids. Thanks again. Bye-bye.